Money is the worst discovery of human life, but it is the most trusted material to test human nature. A very good day to all my dear children. How are you all? Here, your Uzma ma'am, mentor of Advanced Academy, sharing some interesting facts about money. Did you know that over the last 10,000 years, money has changed a lot? It's gone from cattle and shells to today's electronic currency. So today I'm going to share some fun facts about how money has changed. Trading used to be used for everything, just like you might trade baseball or other cards with your friends. People used to trade for everything. Farmers might trade their corns to their neighbor, the shoemaker for a pair of shoes. This type of trading was called bartering. The first coins date back all the way to 700 BC. They were used by a group of people called the Lydians, who live in what is known today as Turkey. Do you have any old coins you collect? A coin from 1950 is old to us, but even that coin was made over 2600 years after the first coins. Amazing, na? The first paper money was used in China around 800 AD. And European also started using paper banknotes, and too much paper money was made. After about 500 years of use, paper money disappeared from China for a long time. It's amazing to think how much money has changed over the years. Now, your parents probably use electronic transaction more than paper money and coins. What do you think money will be like in another 10,000 years? Now, let's see some important facts of Indian currency. The process of issuing currency notes started back in the 18th century in India. The current series of the bank notes, which is used in Indian currency, is known as the Mahatma Gandhi series. It was introduced in 1996. There are total 17 languages present on the currency notes. Hindi and English are prominently displayed in the center of the notes. Apart from Hindi and English, 15 other languages are present at the back of the notes, which are Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. The symbol of rupee was derived from the Devanagari letter Ra and the Roman capital letter R. The letters are taken to signify the words rupiah in Hindi and rupees in English. So the symbol appears meaningful to both Indian and international users. There is a parallel line drawn in the symbol in order to make it look like the tricolor of the flag of India. The symbol was designed by Uday Kumar, who is an associated professor and head of the Department of Design, IIT Guwahati. The design of the rupee symbol was approved by Ambika Soni. Uday Kumar was awarded rupees 2,50,000 for his efforts. So this is all about money today, my dear children. Hope you have a good time. But don't forget, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Bye. Have a nice day.